When somebody mentions hibiscus, you're probably thinking of the tropical flowers or the large hardy hibiscus with their amazing flowers. But today I want to show you another hibiscus. This is called Cranberry Hibiscus, or red-leaved hibiscus. Now you can see how it got its name, obviously, but this hibiscus is known for this foliage, not necessarily for the flowers. In fact, the flowers you really probably won't even get flowers because they come on so late in the season. Really grow it for the foliage, but you can see it gives you quite a show in the landscape here. So this is an annual. It's only hardy to zones 9 through 11. So you're going to grow it as an annual here in Oklahoma. And we bought these as 4-inch pots with about a 1 to 2 foot stem on it. Now when we planted these in the ground, you can see as soon as the heat cranks up, these take off and they will grow anywhere from about a 3 to a 6 foot tall shrub. So we've got quite a lot of foliage and vegetation here for an annual that's going to make a really nice display. Now, as I mentioned, this cranberry hibiscus is really grown for this foliage. Not only does it give you this dark maroon color backdrop here, but it also has kind of a neat texture that it provides into the landscape with this sort of very deeply lobed palmate leaf that is highly serrated and almost kind of wavy on the edges. So it provides a lot of texture. Now, because it is such a dark maroon shrub that you're going to put in the landscape, putting it next to something that's chartreuse or like our yellow marigolds are really going to create a contrast and a nice pop in your garden. Another color that you might consider is planting some silver next to it. So down the way we have some artemisia planted in front of it, and again it creates a nice contrast in your garden. Make sure you put this in the backside of your landscape because, like I said, it does get tall. Now, it wants full sun and moderate moisture, and because it grows so fast in the summertime, it can be a little bit brittle. So you might be cautious of that. So if you get a smaller one that's pretty leggy, what you're going to want to do is kind of pinch it back a little bit, about a third of the way. You can stake it if you think you're really going to get extreme winds. But if it does break on you a little bit, don't worry. Usually it'll just cause it to grow out even more. But by pinching it early, you're going to create a denser shrub that's going to be a little bit sturdier for you in our Oklahoma landscape. Again, this is cranberry hibiscus and a nice colorful plant to add into your landscape.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.